Good morning, children. Open page number 185. Types of clothes. Lesson number 5, EVS. So, look at these pictures of clothes. Write the season in which you would wear them. Take the help of the words given in the box. So, this is sweater or hoodie. When we will wear in winter. When do we wear sweater, children? In winter. And when do we wear cotton shirts? In summer. SUMMER. Then when we will wear, sorry children, I'm very sorry, this is not sweater, this is raincoat. We will wear it in rainy season. Okay children, sorry children, erase it and write raining. Okay, and cotton shirt we will wear in summer, and sweater we will wear in winter. Gumboots we will wear in rainy season. Shorts summer, and this one sweater, this is another one, we will wear in winter. Okay, so write down children. Sorry for the mistake happened here. Okay, next. We wear different types of clothes in different seasons. So we wear different types of clothes in different seasons. Yes, no children? In summer we will wear cotton type of dress so that sweat will be absorbed to the shirts. And in rainy we will wear gumboots, raincoat, all will wear this type of clothes. Why? Because to protect us from rain. And in winter, as it will be very cold, we will wear sweaters, jackets and all. Okay children, so we need clothes to protect ourselves from heat, cold and rain. So from heat, cold and rain we have to protect ourselves by wearing clothes. Okay children, so we wear clothes according to the seasons. So according to the seasons we wear different types of clothes. Okay, clothes and seasons. We wear clothes made of cotton and linen in summer. So in summer season we will wear cotton and linen clothes. Okay, linen is one of the oldest fabrics used by humans. So linen is the oldest fabric. Okay children, in summer what kind of clothes we will wear? Cotton and linen. Okay, cotton cloth is made from cotton wool of the cotton plant. Okay, so from the cotton plant we will get cotton wool so that we can make cotton clothes. Okay, and linen we will get from flax plant. Okay, from flax plant we will get linen. Okay children, so cotton and flax are spun into threads. So they are later spun into threads. Then the cloth is woven from these threads by hand on looms. So by using these threads we will spun the cloth. Okay children, it is also made by machines in mills. So in mills we use machines to make the cloth, and in on looms we use our hand. Okay, cotton and linen clothes keep us cool. So these kind of cloths will keep us cool. Okay children, we wear woolen clothes in winter. In very cold places people wear clothes made of fur. So people will wear the clothes made of fur. Wool is made from the fleece of sheep and goats. So the external part, the fur of the fleece of the sheep and goats are removed and they are used for making wool. Okay, silk is made from silk cocoons of the silkworm. So silkworm it will make a silk cocoon. So from that silk is made. Okay children, so next, people knit woolen clothes by hand. So see, this is called knitting. We can knit the clothes. And see children, sorry I have to forget to show you pictures. See, these are the threads and they are doing with hand. So this is called handloom cloth, and these cloths are made by machine. And this is called knitting. We will knit with our hands, okay, using needles. Okay, People knit woolen clothes by hand. Woolen clothes are also made in factories. Woolen and silk keep us warm. So woolen and silk keep us warm, children, and these are also made in the factories. Okay. And in rainy season we wear rubber or plastic clothes over our clothes. Okay, so coats. So jerkin or raincoat, all these are the plastic ones which we can cover them on our body. Okay, children, we can cover them, or we can cover our clothes with them. So these coats will be waterproof, although when they get wet in the rain, but our clothes will be dry if we wear these kinds of coats. Okay. Water does not go through these waterproof clothes known as raincoats. So raincoats are waterproof, and that plastic which is present on the raincoat will not allow the water to go inside our body. Okay, children, and this makes the clothes keep us dry. Okay. Next, uniforms. School students wear school uniform. So we all wear school uniform when we will go to school. You all will wear school uniform, no children? So some adults also wear uniforms at work. So sometimes when you go anywhere to any shopping mall, or when you see someone who is sweeping the roads, or someone like in some schools we can see ayas or the helpers in the school wear uniform. Okay, so not only kids who go to school, other adults also will wear uniform. Okay, children. So soldiers in army wear uniforms that help them hide in jungles. So in army, children, it will be green kind of, olive green kind of uniform. So why will the soldiers wear this kind of army dress? So that they can hide in the jungles. So this kind of uniform will not help others to find out the soldiers. Okay, children. And next, nurses wear uniform too. When patients see someone in uniform, they know they can call them for help. Okay, children. So when you go to a hospital, you can see nurses wearing white color uniform or any other different color uniform according to the hospital. Why? See, if they are in civil dress, then we will not know for whom to ask for help. Yes, no, children? So that is the reason nurses wear uniform, so that they can help us when we need them. Okay. And astronauts wear clothes that help them to stay safe in spaceships. So this is an astronaut in a space suit. So this is a space suit, children, and it is an astronaut's uniform or outfit is known as space suit. Okay, so an astronaut's uniform or outfit is known as a space suit. So this spacesuit helps to be safe in the spaceship. Okay, children. So now wrapping up the lesson, types of clothes. Clothes based on seasons. In summer we will wear cotton, linen. In winter, wool, silk. In rainy, rubber, plastic. And clothes based on works or uniform. Okay. So now strike out the incorrect word. We wear cotton and linen clothes in dash. So we will wear it in summer. So strike out winter. Waterproof materials keep us dash when it rains. So it will keep us dry. So strike out wet. Draw lines to match correctly. Linen and cotton. We will wear it in summer. Looms, cloth. Fur, winter. Rubber, plastic, waterproof. Knit, woolen clothes. Okay, woolen clothes. We need dash to protect ourselves. Okay, children. So what do we need to protect ourselves? We need clothes. CLOTHES. We need clothes to protect ourselves. Wool is made from the FLEECE fleece of sheep and goats. Okay, FLEECE fleece. Astronauts wear special clothes to stay safe in spaceships. SPACESHIPS spaceships. Okay, SPACE space SHIPS ships. People who do certain kinds of work wear uniforms. So true. Linen is made from jute plant. False. We wear the same clothes for different seasons. False. Where do we get these fibers? Linen we will get from flax plant. Cotton plant. And silkworm. SILK silk, WORM worm, FLAX flax, PLANT flax plant, cotton plant, COTTON cotton, PLANT cotton plant, silk, SILK silk, WORM silkworm. What kind of clothes do we wear to stay warm? So we will wear silk and wool. SILK silk, WOOL wool. SILK silk, WOOL wool. Okay children, hope you understood the lesson. Once again read the lesson thoroughly and complete the book exercises. Okay children, thank you. Have a good day.